Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Naps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem Best Buy gift cards on your computer on your Best Buy account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem the Best Buy gift cards on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in bestbuy.com like this and enter. But first you'll be required to sign into your account. To do that, click on account over here, and after that click on sign in. Enter your email address and the password over here as this one, because my computer has saved my credentials for me. Or you can also log in with your web authentication, Apple or a Google ID. Now with that being said, let's sign into our Best Buy account. And after you land over here, choose any of these products you want to buy on Best Buy to redeem your gift cards on Best Buy. And after choosing your product, add it to your cart. Let's do that. To do that, click on add to cart, and after that, let's go to cart. You can see the go to cart option available over here. Click on go to cart, and you'll be directed over here, which is the product a page of the Apple AirPods Pro, and you can see the checkout button at the right side of the screen. Click on checkout first, and after that, in this page, scroll down. You can change your pickup location, add a new pickup person over here. But before you do anything, scroll down and you can see the continue to payment information available over here. Click on continue to payment information, and after you land on this page, you can see the user Best Buy gift card store credit or discount code available over here, where I'm hovering right now, just below the other payment options. Click over there, and this kind of empty box will appear where you can see your card number and or your discount code. And if you also will be required to enter your PIN number of that code if required. I think it will not be required, but and after that click on apply. The gift code or your discount code will be applied on Best Buy. And guys, this is how you redeem your Best Buy gift cards on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.